Okay, I'm in New York City. This is some factory footage. We have some scenes and more. Take it away, factory.
Check your stencils. That's it, the line? Yeah. Okay.
And it wouldn't be a made in NYC bit of factory footage. By the way, you know, Amazon's getting like billions. We've been here for a while. We didn't ask for anything. No, I mean, like, they got incentive. We got zero incentives.
We got nothing.
Yeah, we just get charged more for being here. Okay.
Yeah, we do.
Anyways, here's a sunset. I'm going to email my local politician and be like,
be disappointed.
What up? Hey Alexa, how do I get in on this? No.
Oh, it's beautiful out.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice evening.